Did you know that over 90% of prostate issues are linked to diet and lifestyle and not genetics? That means you have the power to make a difference. In this video, we're going to uncover simple, natural foods and remedies that can help keep your prostate healthy as you age. Stay with me, you don't want to miss these life-changing tips. Prostate health is something a lot of people don't think about until there's a problem. But why wait? Whether you're concerned about prostate cancer, dealing with symptoms of an enlarged prostate, or just wanting to stay ahead of the game, making smart choices now can have a huge impact on your future. The good news? It's easier than you might think. By adding certain foods and natural remedies to your routine, you can help protect your prostate and keep it functioning well as you age. Let's jump right in? Let's start with tomatoes. They're packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight free radicals. Studies show that men who eat more tomato products like sauces, soups, or even salsa have a lower risk of prostate cancer. Cooking increases the amount of lycopene your body can absorb. And if you add a little olive oil, it helps even more. So that spaghetti sauce you love? Turns out it's doing more than just tasting good. Broccoli is next on the list. It contains sulforaphane, an anti-inflammatory compound that's been shown to protect against prostate cancer. But here's the thing. Boiling broccoli can destroy most of its health benefits. Instead, try steaming it lightly, roasting it, or even eating it raw. Broccoli is an easy addition to your meals, and the health benefits are worth it. Let's talk about walnuts. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help fight inflammation. Plus, walnuts have been shown to reduce the growth of prostate cancer cells. Keep it simple. Grab a handful as a snack or toss some into your oatmeal or salad. It's a quick and easy way to give your prostate a boost. For natural remedies, stinging nettle is a great place to start. It's been used for years to reduce symptoms of an enlarged prostate. It works by reducing inflammation and improving urinary flow. You can find stinging nettle as a tea or in supplement form. It's easy to include in your daily routine and could make a big difference. Another option is beta-sitosterol, a plant compound found in foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds. It's great for easing urinary symptoms related to an enlarged prostate. If you're not eating these foods regularly, beta-sitosterol supplements are widely available and easy to use. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of those superfoods that seems to help with everything, and prostate health is no exception. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a strong anti-inflammatory. It's been shown to interfere with the growth of cancer cells. Add turmeric to soups, stir it into rice, or make a golden milk latte. It's a simple, flavorful way to support your prostate. Finally, green tea. It's packed with catechins like EGCG, which can slow down the growth of prostate cancer cells and even trigger their death. Swapping your regular coffee for green tea a couple of times a day is an easy change with big benefits. See? It doesn't have to be complicated to take care of your prostate. Adding foods like tomatoes, broccoli, and walnuts to your diet, along with natural remedies like stinging nettle and turmeric, are simple steps that can make a big impact. Small, consistent changes are the key. Even swapping out a snack or making a new tea habit can make a difference over time. So what's your first step? Are you going to add more tomatoes to your meals, or maybe start drinking green tea? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or any tips you've picked up. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found it helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. See you next time.